Hey all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour unboxing for March 2022. That's still like a mind freak to say. And I apologize, my nails are in major need of repainting and I just haven't done it, so we're gonna ignore that. I am wearing every color from this Estate palette on my eyeballs as promised. I said I would. And this is the On Wednesday Mini Pigment Palette. So let me come a little closer. You could see that even though that is a bright corally red in there, it does not come off that way on the eyes. And I did a lot of piling up of this. I was layering and layering and layering. I really had to dig in there with the brush. It just does not come off this color. Maybe if you're not layering it on other things, but and you have the stickiest, whitest base, it might come off that color, but it doesn't come off that color. But I'm not like disappointed with the look. I don't know that this is something I would do often. I'm still on the fence about whether or not I'm going to keep this, just because the allure is the red, and I'm not really the kind of person that wants to work with my makeup that hard to get it to do what it should be doing. So that's kind of my thoughts on this. The browns are all really pretty, and the red, the highlight, is kind of a disappointment. I'm also wearing, since I shared this in my recent haul, the Rare Beauty mascara, which I think is really nice. I don't know if my lashes show up crazy on camera, but I think it looks really good in person. And I'm gonna put my glasses on now because I really can't see. Ooh, these are dirty. I'm gonna clean these real quick. Okay, much better. I can actually see now. So now that all that's out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what came in the Petit Vour box. So the first item right on top of the box is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Laguna Replenishing Body Serum. So that's interesting. It's for the body. I'm not even gonna bother looking at the ingredients because I'm less picky about what goes on the body. But let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. They're always like fun colors. There is like a little tint to it, like a bluish tint, seafoam tint. And that's a big bottle too. So that's kind of fun. Okay, my battery died, but we're back. And I think I was just about to read you the description of this product. So, Earth Harbor Replenishing Laguna Body Serum, $26 value for 2 ounces. A tantalizing blend of pure botanical oils, including blue yarrow, marine algae, coconut, rosehip, geranium blossoms, promoting skin respiration and intercellular energy while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster for your sweet skin. So I definitely wouldn't be using this if it was for the face because it does have some fragrance stuff in there. But since it is specifically for the body, I'm actually really curious about this product. So that's pretty cool. The next product in the box is from Ellis Brooklyn, and it is Rose Eau de Parfum, but it's got 2 R's, Rose. And so here's what it looks like inside. I like when we get fragrances, and this is a brand I hadn't heard of before, so that's pretty exciting. This is a $2 value for 1 milliliter. See, that's the part about getting fragrances I don't like. Give me an actual sizable amount. Don't give me this little vial that like I'll use twice and it'll be gone. I want to actually get some wear out of it to see if I like it, but that's a whole other issue. So let me read you the description. A sparkling rose fragrance inspired by Marcel Duchamp's alter ego, Rose Salavi. A pun of Eros c'est la vie. Okay. I think all that flies right over my head. The scent is fresh, invigorating, and modern, and designed to capture a youthful essence. So, not wearing any perfume today. Let's go ahead and give it a try. This reminds me of something. On the initial spray, it kind of reminded me of, I think DKNY Be Delicious, but it changes immediately. I don't know, this reminds me a lot of something I've had before, but I can't put my finger on it. It smells nice though. I don't know if it's a scent I would reach for over and over again. We'll see how it wears on my body. It's not like super exciting to me, but it is nice. So at least I will use this little scent, even though it's a disappointing teeny tiny little sample. The next item in the box is from Jane Iredale, and this is a lip drink lip balm with SPF 15 broad spectrum. And you know, yesterday actually I was looking through my lip balms to see if any of them had SPF, and they didn't. So that's kind of cool. It says flirt on top, so I guess it's colored, which I don't know, I kind of wish it was just clear since it is SPF and I'm going to be slapping it on the go, but okay. So it's in that same Jane Iredale packaging that our previous lip balm was in, since I have gotten one of these in a box before and used it up. Let me read you the description. This is a $17 value, which feels inappropriate for 14 ounces. Quench your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon scented, and protected with reef safe broad spectrum SPF 15. So I think the price tag's a little insane, but let's see how the color looks. That is a nice kind of soft color. It'll probably look nice on just about everybody and not be too overboard for it being a lip balm. So at least there's that. I have a like colored balm in my purse right now, but once I finish that, maybe I'll tuck this one in anyway. I'm still not leaving the house a lot right now. Less for fears of COVID and more because I just literally have no reason to leave the house most days. I work from home. We have one car. It's not like I'm driving all over the place because Austin's usually on the road. So I'm not leaving the house much. So an SPF one, not a need just yet, but we do have stuff planned for the summer, so I am looking forward to busting that out. The last item in the box is from Neal's Yard Remedies, and it's the Rejuvenating Frankincense Cleanser. It says it refines and smooths and is for all skin types. This looks very clinical in nature, very like granola kind of packaging, but clinically. I don't know if that makes any sense. So let's see. This is an $8 value for 25 grams. This award-winning rejuvenating cream cleanser washes away makeup and everyday impurities to leave your face feeling soft, fresh, and smooth, enriched with toning frankincense and moisturizing organic cacao butter. Cacao. I never know when to call it cocoa or cacao. Anyone else have that issue? It's suitable for all skin types. So I like that it says it removes makeup. I'd love to test that, but I'm gonna forget that that was even mentioned by the time I get to this, since I have so many cleansers. But yeah, I will always use a cleanser, and I'm always happy to receive a cleanser, so not mad about that. So overall, I'm happy to get a cleanser, never mad to get a cleanser. I'm excited to have a brand of perfume that I've never really heard of, and that it smells nice, and so I'll use it, but I'm never really wild about these teeny tiny skinny little vials of product as counting as an item instead of a freebie, because a $2 value, that needs to be counted as a freebie and throw in another extra item in my opinion. So that's that. The Jane Iredale lip balm. I am so glad to be getting one that has SPF, because I specifically was looking for one with SPF in my collection, but I do wish it didn't have the color or the tint to it, because that does make it a little more difficult to just slap it on the go. That said, I'm definitely going to use it, and I'm excited to get an Earth Harbor product that I'm actually going to use, since it's for the body. They put so much fragrance stuff in here, and I love the packaging, I love the aesthetic, but a lot of times I just can't use these items. So I'm excited to have one I'm going to use. I'm going to give this a satisfactory like B plus A. It's not an A plus It's not like the most exciting box, but it is a successful box because I will use every item, which is essentially what I'm looking to get out of these boxes. Products that I will actually use. So I gotta say, yeah, A-ish, not bad. I'd love to know what you guys think. If you get the Petit Vour box, did you get the same color, Flirt, or did you get a different color from Jane Iredale? And yeah, that's my thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I will link to everything I'm wearing if I can find it down below. I'm actually wearing a new top, so I should be able to link this one. I can't always link to the exact tops I'm wearing since I keep my clothing for a long time or take good care of it and sell it on Poshmark, which, by the way, good segue, Amanda. I just listed a bunch of new stuff on Poshmark, so definitely check out my Poshmark. It is linked down below. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!